Family Dental with their ribbon cutting here in Boerne. I'm glad they're here in Boerne. I know Dr. Campos and his staff and his team, and he's an excellent dentist. I can vouch for him. I don't let just anybody put their hands in my mouth. So he's taking care of me and the kids.
Give him a cocktail, he'll do it.
But honestly, he's done some great work. Brennan, unfortunately, needs lots of work, and Dr. Campos is taking good care of my son. So you're in good hands with him, and he has several locations. Probably one of the few dentists I know. I'll let you talk a little bit more of it. But if you have a true emergency, they'll have a dentist that'll meet you where on call, probably at the bike office or somewhere to take care of that if you can't sleep or you're having problems. So I don't want to steal all your thunder, but
okay.
we want to thank y'all for coming out. We want to welcome you to the chamber. We're happy that you joined, and I'm glad you're here in Boerne. We're all glad you're here in Boerne. So I want to say congratulations to you and present this to you on your ribbon cutting today.
Okay.
This will be your opportunity to say a few words and then maybe introduce some of your staff. And once we do that, the ambassadors will introduce themselves.
Well, first of all, thank you, Jock, for being here and bringing this great crew from Boerne. I've always, or Carmen and I have been to Boerne several times in the last year, and we really love this town. The people are very friendly, the place is gorgeous, and makes you wonder why we didn't pick Boerne a long time ago. So I want to introduce, first of all, my office manager is Veronica Hinojosa, and Sylvia. Sylvia is a Boerne resident. Her daughter goes to school here in Boerne. Very smart bunch of kids that from Boerne, and we have Dr. Soto, who works at one of our San Antonio offices. Santina Saldana, who I've known since I was in dental school. And of course, Sarah, our hygienist. Okay, Sarah lives close by, so it's good to have her here. Doesn't have to do that 40-minute drive. But anyway, as far as Campos Family Dental, this is 1/7 of our group. Okay, so we have 6 locations in San Antonio, and I went to school at the UT Health Science Center. I've been practicing for over 20 years, and I'm real involved with the school. I'm real involved with my college, which is Texas A. It's hard to say A&M, but I will say Texas A&I. But I'm real involved with the school. I do a lot of recruiting of high school students to introduce them to the profession, and that's one of our plans here, is to get the young kids involved in the profession. I think there's a lot of mentoring that we as business people have to do, and it starts at the high school and middle school level. Because these kids just need a little bit of mentoring, and I think that's always been a success in where I come from. So I know we do that in San Antonio. We started a high school pre-dental club, so we do a lot of sports dentistry. I do the mouthpieces for football, custom mouthpieces that you see on TV with the professional team, where we do them for Kingsville, we do them for UTSA basketball team, and we hope to get together with the local other dentists here and try to do something like that. So another thing that we do is we do accept Medicaid and CHIP program. And if you don't know what those programs are, they're programs designed for families who fit a certain income level. And times are hard right now, as you all know. A lot of businesses are struggling or having problems, and a lot of families are struggling from the surrounding communities. And that's what Medicaid is for. So people that have had good jobs, they don't have those good insurance plans that they used to have. So we see those patients, and I think we're probably one of the very, very few providers in Boerne that will see those patients. So we're really, really proud to say that we will see these types of patients on that income level, and we're very reasonable. Okay. So anyway,
yes.
I think with that, we're proud to be here. We're glad to have you be here, and we're looking forward to a great relationship with the Boerne Chamber. Thank you very much. Brian will be the head guy here this summer, so maybe if he wants to say a few words.
Very few words. First time I drove by to Boerne this morning, and I just fell in love with it. I just felt something inside telling me, well, it was a voice of God telling me, hey, this is where you need to be. This is something I've been praying about for a while, and so if you guys welcome me, I'll welcome you guys in. Thank you.
So, okay. Thank you.
And of course, Ronnie, a lot of y'all know Ronnie from seeing her here and at the Daily Grind, and they get in there and have their coffee sometimes in the morning. So Ronnie's kind of been the face, and Sylvia, who you get on the phone. But we appreciate you guys being here. So at this time, we'll let the ambassadors say who they are and who they're with. And
I'm Carrie Phillip. I'm at the Boerne Banking Center. Welcome.
I'm Steve from Hungry Horse, and he reminded me back in our old days of Bud Lukey and the Cool Daddies and the Candy Cooks.
And I got mine.
I'm Kristen. I'm with Salon Infusion.
And we see you guys here already.
I'm Kimberly Dandering with Windstream Communications. Welcome.
Have a contract in your pocket?
You do, don't you?
Always.
Rusty Metter, I'm with Burning Business Monthly.
Thank you.
Sean Bonner, the Hungry Horse and president of the Boerne Sunrise Rotary. Welcome.
Lynn Richter with the Boerne Chamber, welcome.
Terry Politti with the Boerne Chamber.
Jody Harper, Texas Heritage Bank.
I'm Michelle Jackson with Cruise Holidays.
Luke Kirsch, the PEO.
And Lee Chapman, the PEO.
Teresa Harder, TNT Cleaning. Welcome.
Thank you.
And of course, Dr. Bose with the Chamber. I chair the Ambassador Council. Appreciate the Ambassador team. And I'm here also representing Artland and the city of Boerne. And of course, glad you're here because you take good care of me.
Glad
so
to have you.
congratulations.
Our patient. Thank you.
So what